Namaste, my name is Hui Yin. I'm international meditation master. Today I want to speak about how to increase your potency. 2 simple practices can make a profound difference. Massage the spot for 1 minute daily to restore potency, and raw, unprocessed cacao mask to your morning drink. It will improve your performance in every area of your life. The 60-second massage that changes everything. When you gently massage this point for 60 seconds each day, you detox the blood vessels in the pelvic area, release chronic tension in the pelvic muscles, decompress the nerves responsible for erection, restoring sensitivity. Massage and you massage the prostate gland. What is this point? This is one of the most important points in yoga and traditional Chinese medicine. It is called the perineum, or Hui Yin in Chinese medicine, or the $1 million point, or the gate of death. For Taoists and for yogis is the gate of hell. This point is located in the area of the root chakra, and it connects the root chakra directly to the crown chakra. So, where do you find it? It is exactly there where the vagina is by women. Okay? The same place. And then you see that the sexuality from the women are connected with the spirituality. Okay? It's automatically. By men, it's not so. It lies between your legs, between the scrotum and the tip of your tailbone. There's a small cave or indentation. Massage inside this area, also exactly where the vagina is. The point may feel tender at first. With regular massage, the tenderness will fade. How to massage this point? I don't want that to make it wrong. Be gentle. Use light pressure. Never force it. Use oil. Castor oil is ideal, but any natural cold pressed oil like coconut oil works well. Be consistent. Massage every day. You may begin to notice results after about 1 month. Continue the practice for life. So I do it for 20-30 years. Yeah. Be comfortable. Lie down on your bed, relax, or sit on the edge of a chair with your knees open. If your pelvis is tense, you won't get the full benefit. It must be relaxed. Timing matters. Do not do this massage right before sexual activity. Do it when you are relaxed, without pressure or expectation. Technique. Massage the area gently, then press for 5 seconds, release for 5 seconds. Repeat this 4 times. Okay. Now comes raw cacao, this nature performance booster. Raw cacao must support your entire body, including your sexual vitality. It has one of the highest antioxidant levels of any food, specifically flavonoids, which are superb for cardiovascular health. And good circulation is exactly what your sexual organs needs. It's purified also the blood vessels. Better cardiovascular and heart health. Blood pressure and circulation. The high level of flavonoids in raw cacao helps produce nitric oxide, which relaxes arteries, lowers blood pressure, and improves overall blood flow. Reduce bad cholesterol. Raw cacao helps reduce the oxidation of LDL cholesterol, preventing plaque formation. This benefit is often lost in heavily processed chocolate. because it reduces also the inflammation, and if the inflammation is reduced, the bad cholesterol is going also down. Superior antioxidant content. Raw cacao contains significantly higher levels of antioxidants, specifically flavonoids, because it is not subject to a high heat. This means it's roasting or chemical processing. It has one of the highest oxygen radical absorbance capacity scores of any food. Some estimates suggest it has 40 times the antioxidants of blueberry. Yeah, but you don't eat so much raw cacao powder, okay. Improves cognitive function and mood. Mental clarity. Raw cacao boosts focus, memory, and attention span by improving cerebral blood flow. Natural mood enhancer. It contains compounds like anandamide, the bliss molecule, and phenylethylamine, this means it's PIA, which promote feeling of euphoria and relaxation. These compounds are far more preserved in raw, unprocessed cacao. Higher mineral density. Magnesium essential for muscle function, nerve health, and heart health. Iron. Raw cacao provides a high absorbable source of plant-based iron, especially valuable for vegetarians and vegans. Other minerals. It is also rich in potassium, copper, manganese, and phosphorus. Thank you that I could speak about this, and bye.